Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the must-haves for any party or movie night nacho trays. Specifically, we're looking at the 12 ounces plastic nacho trays from Stock Your Home.
These are not just your ordinary snack containers. They're designed to make your nacho and cheese experience unforgettable.
Stick around to find out why these are our top pick.
Let's kick things off by talking about what makes these trays stand out. The Stock Your Home 12 ounces plastic nacho trays come in a pack of 100, making them perfect for large gatherings. Each tray features two compartments, a larger one for your nachos and a smaller one for the cheese dip or any other sauce you prefer. This design ensures that your snacks stay organized and mess-free.
Whether you're hosting a Super Bowl party, a movie night with friends, or even a carnival-themed birthday bash, these trays are your go-to solution. They bring that authentic concession stand feel right into your home. To give you a better perspective, let's quickly compare these trays with others on the market. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these trays from Stock Your Home offer superior quality and value for money.
They're Amazon's choice for a reason. Let me show you how easy it is to assemble your nacho masterpiece using these trays. Start by loading up the larger compartment with your favorite tortilla chips, then pour in the cheese or salsa into the smaller section. Voila! Perfectly portioned snacks ready to enjoy. To wrap it up, if you're looking to elevate your snacking experience at home or at any event, look no further than the Stock Your Home 12 ounces plastic nacho trays. They combine durability, convenience, and affordability in one neat package. Trust me, your guests will thank you for it. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on these nacho trays and level up your next gathering. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching.